us, we have an interesting concept as well. We have a warm front today and a cold front tomorrow. That's going to eventually lead to some rainfall for the end of 2020. Right now, when you take a live look on outside, we are noticing overcast skies, but there's no precipitation. And that's a key thing here because when you look at the radar, we've been watching this all morning long and we've been seeing these snow showers picking up on the radar, but I just think it's too dry for that to actually work its way to the ground. Nonetheless, you might see some slick roads, especially moving now throughout Bel Air, pushing out over towards, say, northeast. Temperatures, though, 32 degrees out toward Essex, Bel Air. You're looking at 29 and 32 in Stevensville. So these numbers, by the way, are almost 10 degrees warmer than normal for this time of year. By this afternoon, we will be 5 degrees warmer than normal. It's all in part due to our winds. So for today, they're out of the southeast. And guess what that picks up? Moisture out of the Atlantic. So we'll notice a little bit more cloud coverage for today when that warm front moves through. But for the most part, we stay dry. Then we watch the storm system that's now moving its way throughout the Great Lakes. That's going to arrive in our area tomorrow, colliding with all that moisture we've picked up. We now have the chance of showers. So far, only looking like a 50% chance of rain, seeing maybe a few hundredths of an inch. So fairly light. Then get ready for Friday. The storm system that's in Texas moves its way to us, and now we increase our rain chance to 90 to 100%. And this is the rain that could be fairly heavy at times, getting close to probably 3/4 of an inch to an inch in total. Here we go hour by hour for you. For today, starting you off at 8 a.m., just a mix of sun and clouds out there. It's really going to be the last dry day. We'll increase the cloud coverage over the evening hours. And then tomorrow morning, you're waking up and we see a little bit of rain on the screen, especially found further to the north. So if you're out over towards, say, Bel Air, even through Moncton, Hampstead, you'll notice some of the light showers coming down. Staying this way for us once we get to 1 o'clock, the band of rain associated with the cold front continuing to move throughout the region. Most likely this model indicating it will be north of Towson, arriving in the city, moving down through Dundalk and getting close to Annapolis when we get closer to your evening commute right at around 5:30. But remember, this is just some light stuff, and it's in fact too warm. We're not going to see any snowfall. However, if you're celebrating New Year's Eve, the rain miraculously comes to an end for that brief period of time. We drop the rain chance really down to about 30%. Then it will return for us on Friday. This is when we could see it a little bit more intense at times. And you'll notice it starting at around 1 o'clock and then really thickening up, staying through Saturday. So for today, enjoy the last dry day, 8 a.m., 34 degrees. Once we get to noon, we're already at 40, working our way, though, into the mid to upper 40s, arriving there once we get to right around the 3 o'clock time frame. 7-day forecast for you. Tomorrow we go to 50 degrees, but that happening early into the morning besides that front moving through, increasing our rain chance. Lauren, how are those roads?